Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to service my Oneup dropper post and I'm going to bring you along for the ride. First thing you're going to want to do is get your adjustable wrench, put it on the end, and loosen it. If you have a hard time getting grip, you can get an old tire and put it on, give you that extra grip. Now loosen the end cap off, push the end. Now you're going to want to use your 2mm Allen key to remove these two set screws. Now you're going to want to pull the end off, take off this foam ring. Now you're going to want to loosen this nut, and if you have any issues with that, you can go ahead and use a piece of rubber tire or something to get good grip on it. And just give it a loosen. There we go. So as you see, as I take it apart, you see this bottom bushing has a notch here and a notch here. So I'm going to remember that when I go to put that bushing back on. I'm going to remove these pins. Can be stubborn. Oh, that one's gone. Get those all out of there. There's another one. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Now you can just go ahead and slide this one off, this top bushing. And last step here is just to slide the top collar off. Just be careful when you do it. Don't be too aggressive. You don't want to damage it. You just want to clean this all up, make it nice and clean, get inside those grooves where the pins go. So go ahead and wipe all these pins down. Wipe these bushings down. Go ahead and clean this one too. Now you want to clean the inside of this top collar very well. Get the inside real good. Clean the inside of this seal as well. Okay, now you want to clean this out, and all you really need to do is get a rag. You're going to want to push it through with something. So tightly pack it in there. Tight. And then get some sort of rod to just push it through. Look how dirty that is. Alright, once you're sure it's all clean, we're going to the next step. Now you want to use some Slickolium. And if you can get something and put it in there to get the grease in there, it's better. But I'm just going to put a bunch on each end. So let's get a big dab of it and just coat the inside of the seal and the bushing. Put a little bit of grease here to help get this on. Just like that. Wipe the excess off the end. Now you want to put that grease in these slots here. Just fill them up with some Slickolium. This top bushing on. I guess you can do it at any time since it just opens up like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put those pins on. The reason you put grease in there is to help them stick into place. There's one, there's two. Make sure you coat it like that so it sticks. Here's number 3. Okay. Now we're going to put in the bottom bushing, and I'm just going to put it in the same way it was when I took it out. And just like that. Everything looks good here. Basically ready to slide it back in. Make sure you orientate it the right way. Just like that. Go ahead and tighten your collar on. You want to make sure that one there is right at the front of the saddle. So now you want to put your foam ring back on, followed by the bottom nut. Now you want to put in the set screws. Give them a good crank. Okay, just push this like that. Thread it on. Give the nut one tightening, and you're done. So there you have it. That's how you service a Oneup dropper post in less than 5 minutes. and I totally suggest all you out there to do it because it's super easy. If it helped you out at all, consider subscribing to my channel or leave a thumbs up. That'd be appreciated as well. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers, guys.